Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emilee and I make videos here on YouTube about makeup. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. So today we are on day 21 of the NYX Advent Calendar and today's product is a black lipstick called Kiev. Kiev? Chicken Kiev. So when I think of Kiev, I think of a chicken Kiev. Please tell me if there's another version of Kiev, but that's, you know, that's the only Kiev I know. But it says Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kiev, which is a black lip. So I thought I would do this blue colour, and I finally used my James Charles palette, even though there's 2 days until Christmas. And I should really be saving it till Christmas, but you know, So if you would like to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. And let's get on to the tutorial. So I'm going to start by taking my Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion. I need to get the full size of this. And the P. Louise base because it's literally my favourite primer. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit on my finger and just put this all over my lids. So I'm so excited. In today's video I'm going to be using new products. I'm using this shade from EROSEGLITZ. It's a bit flaky but it's called Snowflake and it is a foiled shadow which is a brand new formula, and honestly look at this, it is stunning. And also, as you can tell, I'm using my James Charles palette. It's 2 days till Christmas. I said I was going to wait till Christmas. I was supposed to wait till Christmas, but I really wanted to do this blue look, so I thought, you know, I'm just going to dig it out to use a couple of colours, and then I'll put it back for Christmas and open it for Christmas. So I'm going to use a pencil brush and I'm going to go into the shade Cola, and I'm going to start by packing this through my crease. I'm going to take the shade Playground, which is the bright blue above it, and I'm going to take this on, again, kind of like a pencil brush. I'm just going to use this to blend out this colour. And these shades are so pigmented, like, I've never used blues like this. And then I'm going to take the matte white shade, which is called Flashback, and I'm going to put this on my brow bone and around the Playground colour. And go back in with the brush I used on Playground and use this to buff the white and the Playground shade together to create a lighter blue colour. Okay, so now I have my blend on. As you can see, it's nice and seamless and blended. I'm going to use my white eyeshadow base to cut my crease in a semi-cut crease kind of shape. And then going back in with Cola. I'm starting to go in from my outer corner to start to blur this edge. Then going in with a bit of Playground again, doing the same thing. Finally going to take a bit of Hello, which is the light shimmery blue, and I'm just going to take that just next to that. And I'm going to take some glitter primer. This is just the Paint Glow one, and I'm going to put this on the inner half of my cut crease for the EROSEGLITZ shade. I'm then just going in with the EROSEGLITZ shade in Snowflakes. This is like a frosted foiled shimmer glitter. It's absolutely stunning. It literally looks like snowflakes on your eyes, and I've never seen anything like it that's like a pressed product. It's very flaky, so you do need a glitter base, but once it's on, it is stunning. I'm just mixing a bit of Cola and Spooky, which is the black colour. I'm just applying this right on the outer corner. So this is what the eyes look like so far. So as always, I'm going to prep my skin with the Nivea Soft. This is my favourite and it is so inexpensive. I think it's like a £5 for this massive tub. Like, this is like the size of my head and I don't have a small head. So I'm just going to apply this to my face. This is always what I use because I get really dry skin, but I have oily skin. My skin's actually like dehydrated oily, but it moisturises my skin without making it oily. It's like a really good product and it's so affordable. You're wondering about the Snowflake shade that I used on my inner corner. These are currently for sale. Obviously, as always, online you can use my code, which I have in my description as always, and on Boxing Day they're actually having a sale, so this might be in the sale. So if I were you, I'd wait till Boxing Day and then make a purchase because Honestly, all the shades are amazing, and this one specifically is gorgeous. I also have my own collection if you have missed out on that. They are only like £2.50 a piece, and if you use my code then it's £2.25, which is nothing for this. If this was a high-end eyeshadow you would pay like £20, £15 easily. So I'm going for a full coverage look. So as usual, when I use full coverage, I go for my Makeup Revolution foundation. This has quickly become my favourite. As you can see in all of these looks, I've used this a lot. I'm just going to blend this in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush as always. I would definitely recommend moisturising and prepping the skin properly before using this foundation, because if you haven't seen my review on this already, which I will leave down below if you haven't, it is quite dry if you don't prep the skin properly. But if you do, then it's great and there's no issues. As always, I'm using the matching concealer. I use both of them in the shade 6 if you were wondering, and they are perfect for me. The foundation's a tiny bit light, I would say, at the moment, but you know, I'll try a different shade when I run out. I love this combination so much, if you have noticed from watching all my videos. Because we're coming to the end of this series, I would love to know what's your favourite look been so far, because honestly I don't think I can pick a favourite because I just love them all, but I think definitely the green cut crease is one of my favourites. I'm going back to an old favourite for powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. I haven't used this in so long because I've just been using my Airspun, but I thought I would use this today just because the foundation is a tiny bit light, and this will deepen it up because this is in the shade 04, and then I'm going to use the shade 01 Transparent under my eyes. So for my highlight, I'm going to take a mix of Ring Light and Face, because Face is too dark for me because I am pale, and Ring Light, you know, will mix it and make it a bit lighter. So I'm just going to use that on a M510. This is my first time using this, by the way, and it is so good. It's literally been sat in my drawer for like 2 months. I got it on the first launch, and it's been sat in my room ever since. I was actually going to use some different lashes for once, but I seem to have lost them, so I'm just going to apply my Eldora H179s as always. Someone needs to like message Eldora and tell them how much I love them, because I literally have used these every single day this month. They are the best lashes ever. Like, I love these. I found the eyelashes I was going to use. My cat was playing with them. I looked around to see what she was messing with, and it was the eyelashes I was going to use. She's taken them off my desk, flipped them with her paw, and started playing with them. So these need washing, so I'm just going to let them chill on the side. Okay, my lashes are on. Please tell me if it's just me, but every time I put lashes on, my eyes water, my nose runs, and it's as if I'm allergic to fake eyelashes, but I don't know. But yeah, these are the eyes. And I'm going to do the lower lash line with the same colours. So I'm just going to take the Cola colour and then Playground, and I'm just going to put these on the lower lash line and smoke them out. Then I'm just highlighting my inner corner with a bit of Hello. I'm putting a bit of Ring Light on top. So the product of the day today is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kiev, which is a really odd name. Like, I think of a chicken Kiev. I don't know if that's just me, but it's just this black colour, so I thought this would look super cool with blue, seeing as we're going out there anyway. So I'm going to apply the lip colour, and I might just add a snowflake on one of the eyes, just to match like the colour snowflake, you know. So I have the lip colour on. I did use a lip pencil, well, an eye pencil. I'm not talking to you. This is so sheer, you would need like 10 layers to build it up to this colour, and because it doesn't dry down, it's really messy and it's kind of going everywhere. So this would not be a colour I would wear a lot, but you know, it's funky, it's cute. I'm going to add the snowflake on my face and then I'll be back. So as you can see, I have done the snowflake on my eye. Not gonna lie, I'm very proud of myself. I think it's cool. But yeah, I just used the eye base from before with a little tiny liner brush. So I thought I would show you the look with a more normal lip colour, just so you can see that it is just a nice look. And if you can't see past the black lip, then I thought I'd show you it with the normal lip colour. But yeah, this is the look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will list down below the lip combination I have on right now. It is the Nice Face Liquid Lip in the shade 01 and the Smashbox Lip Enhancing Gloss in the shade Blush. So these two make a great lip combination. I've never tried these two together before, will be wearing it more. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below and check out all the other videos I have in a playlist as always down below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!